Hi, welcome back to yet another video. In case you're new here, my name is Nihad, and on this channel, I do a lot of fashion, styling, makeup, hairstyling, and those kind of stuff. So, in case if it interests you, please subscribe to my channel. And currently, I'm doing this series, which is office wear or everyday look, which you can probably style to go to work or probably shopping or out with friends. So this is more like office slash everyday look, which you can style. So I've done a couple of videos before this. You can check them out. Before that, I have done a series on wedding guest looks, wherein I've done 10 episodes on it. So you can go ahead and check that out as well. So now for today's video, the outfit that I have is this particular top. So that's the top. It's a little sheer, but of course, we're gonna layer it. Those are the sleeves. It's got full sleeves and a button up situation at the end. Those are the sleeves, and plus it's got this entire tie-dye thing at the front. I don't know if y'all can see, but like it's going all the way. Mm, yeah, do you see this? So that's the top, and yeah, it's pretty cool. But I think it's not like when you tie this up, it's not very revealing. So you can definitely wear this to work because it's also got full sleeves. It's got like a shirt like sleeve thing at the end. So you can definitely wear this at work as well, or even for your everyday look. And to go with this, because it's got black, I'm pairing it with these black trousers. Okay, and yeah, these trousers are straight fit. I've paired the same trouser with a couple of other tops as well. So black trouser is like a staple that you can have in your wardrobe, and you can style probably multiple looks with it, because you can't really tell the difference between black trousers really. So you can probably have one decent fitted black trouser, and then you can style it with multiple tops. You can keep changing it. So that's my tip, and for now I'll quickly wear this, and after that we'll see what accessories to style with it and how do I complete this look. So I'll quickly wear this and be right back. So here I am. I have this top on, and that's how it looks. Those are the pants. So just so y'all can see, that's the pant. Here is the top. So I've tied this up into a knot, and now up next we have to accessorize it. So for the accessories, I am considering wearing these earrings. So those are the earrings on. I have this necklace to pair with it. So that's how the necklace looks. I think it looks pretty with this outfit. And finally, I'm pairing it with these rings, just a couple of rings. So that's one, that's the other. That's about it. I'm pairing it with this bracelet. In case if this is too much, you can always skip this because I mean, I think because I'm keeping this look a little subtle, because you can consider this wearing at work and everyday stuff. So I don't think, because the other accessories are quite minimal, so I don't think this is too much. You can definitely add this, but if this is too much for you, you can skip and wear something a little more minimalistic. Also, this top has full sleeves, almost full sleeves, very little space. But I think this just goes well with the entire look. So I'm keeping it on. And finally, I have the swatch, golden, just because this is golden, so it's gonna match. And yeah, the watch is on. For my hair, I'm keeping it the way it is. I'm keeping it sideways and open, and I'll keep this a little behind so this earring shows. So that's going to be my look. And with that, the styling is completed, and that's how it looks. It's the full look of the outfit. First, up close. I've kept this button open, but I can always tie it up. It's just that I just feel a little restricted if I tie this up, so I keep the buttons open. So the flow is easy and I can do my work. So yeah, so this is the look for today. And in case if you like this outfit, please do comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And for more such videos, turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on any video. And that's about it for now. Stay tuned for further videos because I'll be doing a lot more of these. Get ready with me for work and everyday looks. So I've planned 10 looks. This is probably the second or the third one. And yeah, so there are many more to come, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.